Hi kids, first standard EVS chapter 1 continuation about me. She is Nega. She says, I like to sing and dance. Do you like singing and dancing, kids? Singing provides an outlet for our feelings. Singing improves reading skills and it builds self-confidence also. Dancing provides physical refreshment and dancing is a form of exercise. Whenever you feel boring, you sing and dance, kids. Next, he is Mohan. He says, I like to eat good food. Do you like to eat food, kids? Always eat fresh and healthy food. Avoid junk food, kids. That means Lays, Kurkure, okay? Because these are bad for our health. So, always eat good food, children. Then, he is Mitran. He says, I like to read and write. Morning or evening, you read and write your homework, kids. Morning is a correct time to read your lessons. Writing practice gives perfect handwriting to you. Read the new words and write 3 or 4 times, children. Then he is Naveen. He says, I like to play with my toys. Do you like to play with your toys, kids? How many toys do you have? I think most of the girls like to play with the dolls like teddy bear. And most of the boys like to play with the car toys. Am I correct, kids? So, Neha says, I like to sing and dance. Neha says, I like to sing and dance. What does Neha says? Neha says, I like to sing and dance. Then Mohan. Mohan says, I like to eat good food. Mohan says, I like to eat good food. Next, Mitran says, I like to read and write. What does Mitran say? Mitran says, I like to read and write. Then, Naveen says, I like to play with my toys. What does Naveen say? Naveen says, I like to play with my toys. What do you do in your leisure time, kids? You write 3 points about your favorite hobbies. We will meet in next class. Bye.